Sam Thomas. I have the shop in Kettle Falls. I have a 72 C10 pickup with an LS engine.
We went from the ground all the way up from where it is now, and it was cool to build it with my dad. It's a lot of good memories.
A lot of memories, I think, just because Colin was so little when we got it.
Me and Colin wanted to put together something to go drag racing, and of course farm truck got us interested in using that particular style of truck, and we had it for so long we thought, why not?
In the farm truck, and wanted to make something a little bit different because we don't want to be the same as him, so we made the shop truck.